Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and open and close Ubisoft Connect warning. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply go ahead and step into our video. So for that matter, the thing that you have to do is, first of all, you gotta go ahead and access your PC. For the matter, you're gonna go ahead access your PC and connect to your Ubisoft, right? Afterwards, for me, you want to go to your Ubisoft. Once you have seen this kind of interface, you are in the official website of it, you're logged in, and then you're going to go ahead tap on the side menu bar on top. You're going to go ahead tap on this menu by selecting the three-lined icon. Go ahead tap on that menu icon and select settings option that will be given below. In that setting option, go ahead in the general section and you got to go ahead find box called enable in-game overlay for supported games. That option you have to untick it if it's a ticked. Once you have unticked that option, then you will be able to turn off your warning. And the other option would be simply first connect your Ubisoft overlay by default, and you can open simply that overlay simply pressing shift plus F2 button in your keyboard. And once you have done so, you can select the X icon that will be given on the top of the notification and you will be done. That way you can solve it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.